Welcome back to CAD Station, and in today's tutorial we are going to make this mechanical part, and we have the sketch here. So we are going to follow these dimensions and we'll get the design like this. So let's just start from the new and the part. For the start of the design, we are going to select the right plane and sketch. Now first use one and two circles, then center rectangle from find the horizontal line. Now you have to give a relation as the center to center. This is horizontal. Now next is we are going to mention the dimensions. For this we have here 40, 70, and that is 20. Okay, 40 and 70 the diameters. 70, this one is 40, and from the center point let's find the center point to the line is 40 mm, and next the height is I guess 20 mm. Let's confirm it here. Yeah, this is 20 mm. So done. Now we need to trim these two lines. Now Control 7 for isometric view, and we are going to extrude it. How much we are going to 25 plus 50 plus 25, that's mean 100. So this is going to be mid plane and 100 mm. Okay. After that we have to select the top plane, sketch. Now center rectangle, just make a rectangle like this. Select the origin and the center of the rectangle, make the relation vertical. A smart dimension, the length is 50 mm, that's going to be cut, and you can find here this is 12 mm. The remaining part of the cut to the center. So from here to the here is 12 mm. Done. Now we are going to features extrude cut and through all both. Okay. Now this is done. We can make the holes here. So find the center, and yeah, this is the center one here, and go the next one here. Now press the control and select both the circles and make the relation equal. Now it's time to mention the dimension as the circle is 10 mm diameter of two holes. So these two are going to be of 10 millimeters. Now we can use the extrude cut, and we have to cut till here. So I'm going to up to next and okay. Right. Now Control 7 for isometric view again, and this part is done. We are going to that one. This is 90 mm at a distance from center to center, and 40 and 20 mm cast. So again select the same here. Use the circles 1 and 2. Smart dimension. This is of 40 mm. This is 20, and from center to center, this is 90 mm. Right. Now Control 7 for isometric view, and we are going to Extrude Boss base. This is going to be blind at the opposite side of 25 mm. Let me show you. This is from here to the opposite side is 25 mm. So 25 and okay. You can select the through all, but we have to cut it after this step. So now we are going to select the triplane or display reference plane at a distance of 10 mm and in the opposite side. We are going to sketch this wall. It is at a distance of 10 mm. You can see from here to here is 25. Then if I subtract 25 minus 15, then we will get the distance there, and this is 10 mm. Now we are going to select the plane and sketch. Use the line command. From the center point, make a straight horizontal line, then a tangent to circle. Similarly for the bottom one, horizontal line and a tangent. Escape. Now select these two by pressing the control and make the relation tangent. And similarly for this one, press the control and select the circle. This is also the tangent. Now smart dimension. You can find from here to here the length is 50 mm. So this one is going to be 50 and similarly this one is 50. Now you can select the circles and make the converting treaties or trimming treaties in this one, and this. Now Control 7 for isometric view features, and this is going to be lined 15 mm but in opposite direction. Okay, done. Now you can hide this plane and mirror. Use the right plane and features to mirror the extrude one, and okay. Now you can cut the whole rectangle here. That is like this. We are going to select the top plane again, sketch, and corner rectangles. Just make a random rectangle, but select these two lines by pressing the control and make the cooling. Control 7 for isometric view. Features extrude cut, and this is going to be through all both, and okay. Right, now we are again going to create a reference plane that is going to be front plane reference geometry plane at this point, and okay. Now use the plane sketch, control it again. From corner rectangle, just make a rectangle like this. Now you can see this step is at a height of at the bottom 8 mm. So smart dimension from here to here is 8 mm, and same for the bottom one from here to find any line 8 mm. Right, now control 7 for isometric view and extrude boss base. This is going to be up to next, so it will cover the profile of the circle at all. Now you can hide this plane. Select the top one, sketch. Now just find the point, smart dimension. This is going to be of radius 10, that's pink, 20 mm diameter, and features extrude boss base. This is going to be of up to the surface in opposite direction, and select the surface, this one. Done. Now again sketch, and we have to make a hole of 12 mm. This is of 12 mm diameter and going to be extrude cut through all both, and now the sketch is complete. Modeling is complete. We are going to use the flit. right? Now one more flit is going to be here, and that is of 3 mm, and okay. Now we can change the appearance. This is of metal. Let's select the brass, or let
I can tell that and just tell them the pump cup I get to sit up. Then the water goes to the
now select the holes and make the color as, you can select anyone. I'm going to select the yellow, and okay. Now this is our final view, and we have completed the whole design using the dimensions. I hope all steps are clear to you. But still, if you face any problem, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to resolve it as soon as possible. And in the last minute, I would like to ask you to subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.